Hello, my name is Ahmad Daura. Welcome back to my YouTube tutorial channel. Today I will be discussing about how to turn on and turn off a Windows firewall. So, the importance of firewall in our computer is something that we need to let it be on always because of the intruders that can bypass our system or a critical virus that can affect our system. So that is why Microsoft company decided to bring it on firewall to its operating system, that is Windows OS. So today I will be showing you how to turn it on or turn it off. So let's start it. The first thing that we need to do right now is to click window R. After you click on window R, then you go for control panel as I wrote here, then you click OK. After you click OK, then you go for security, then you click on this Windows Firewall. By seeing this, you can see it has already been connected, private network not connected, and guest or public network that I'm using right now is connected. So if you want to turn off Windows Firewall, we have to click on this. On, yeah. After you see it, then as you can see, block all incoming connectors connection, including those in the list of allowed apps. You can do that. If you don't want it to be like that, then you can leave it. Then for private network is turn on, and for public network is also turn on. So it has to be turned on always if you don't want anyone to bypass into your system. It brings a lot of security to your system unknowingly without your even knowledge of that. So Windows operating system is not a virus-free software, so there is need for antivirus whenever you are using Windows. So Windows Firewall bring many changes. Windows Firewall will help you to keep your system safe. So thank you very much for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you very much.